Oh, this is Thailand in one bite. What do I have in here? Don't you just want to know about this? This is one of my favorite snacks here in Thailand. It is called Miang Kham, which literally translates into one bite wrap. Sometimes you'll find Miang Kham on restaurant menus, but more than likely it is a little bit more hard to find. But you will find it in restaurants that might have a whole fish, that you get some leaves and you wrap it up and you pop it in your mouth. Well, today I found a lady at our Chat Chai morning market here in Hua Hin, and she does these little take home packs. So I found myself a little seat and I'm going to show you exactly how good this snack is. Are you with me? Okay, let's do it. I did bring my own plate so I can put all the ingredients onto that plate. So first things first, let's pull out the leaves. This is betel leaf or bai chip blue. Look at it. How good is that? And that is what's going to make up the wrap, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So first of all, let's go through all the ingredients of what's in this Miang Kham. This is dried shrimp. So the second thing is nuts. You cannot be in Thailand without chili. A couple of chili to go in there as well. You also need lime for tang. I've got two here. This is ginger, fresh. Oh, smell that ginger, amazing. This is finely chopped up onion, red onion that is. Then, oh, you've got here some roasted coconut. I'm going to leave that in there like that. But lastly, this is a sweet Miang, which is tamarind sauce. Look at that. Delicious. Now let's see if we can wrap all this up into a one bite shot. First things first, you need to wrap this into a little pouch. And my style is like that. Then what you do is you go about assembling your little pocket of wonderful. So I'm going to put some onion in down the bottom, little bit of shrimp, nuts, ginger, lime. Of course, I'm going to put a chili in, and I'm going to put some nuts in, a sprinkle of the coconut in like that. And then I'm just going to pour some of this Miang Kham in. Oh, look at that, big dollop. And in it goes. It is just an explosion of flavors. Even with that chili in there, it is not hot because you've got all the other condiments in there. Wow, it is so good, so delicious, so healthy. This little snack has everything in it. It has a little salt hit with the little shrimps, little baby shrimps. You've got freshness of the onion, the tangy and punchiness, and the little bit hot of the ginger in there. And the lime just gives it a punch, that real tangy flavor in one bite. You cannot taste the heat of the chili because it is smothered in everything else that's in that bite. The nuts give it crunch, little bit of sweetness of the Miang, and also the beautiful flavor. Toasted coconut. This is super amazing, and you need to look out for it when you are here in Thailand. Oh, this is Thailand in one bite. Let's do one more wrap. Okay, fold it in like that. I'm gonna make this one a little bit smaller. Nuts, shrimp, onion, ginger, manao, chili, nuts, coconut, and this beautiful Miang Kham sauce. Look at that. That's naughty. Okay, in it goes. 1, 2, 3. Any time of the day, this is a great snack. This one that I bought at the market was 50 baht. Great value, great snack, very healthy, and I think you should look out for it. If you take a Feast Thailand food tour and do the morning market walking tour, sometimes you can find this lady. Cream is the tour guide that does this tour, and she may be able to find this for you so you can have a taste. And look out for it when you are out and about in restaurants around Hua Hin and when you're around Thailand. I'm going to do one more. Wrap up this betel leaf because I've got one more chili left. So until the next video, Sawadee Ka.